Looking for a dinner that's quick, colorful, and actually exciting to eat? This chicken stir fries got you covered. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: cabbage, broccoli, onion, carrot, ginger, garlic, peppers, and chicken breast. And for the marinade, cooking wine, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, cornstarch, white pepper, and baking soda. Let's prep our veg. First, square off your carrot. Next, cut your carrot in half diagonally. Then, cut the carrot into thin triangles. Next, remove the top and bottom from your pepper. Cut it down the center and remove the core. Now, cut your peppers into strips or chunks. Break your broccoli down into bite-sized florets. Optionally, you can just buy these florets instead of crowns if you like. Chop the cabbage into roughly 1-inch pieces. The cabbage is going to act as a filler for this dish. Remove the top and bottom of the onion. Cut it in half and remove the core. Peel off the skin and slice your onion into thin strips. Smash the garlic to remove the skin. Then, give it a rough dice. Peel and dice your ginger. You want that bright bite throughout the dish. Finally, slice your chicken breast into thin strips or into cubes if you'd prefer. Use about 200 grams of chicken breast per person. Let's velvet the chicken so it stays juicy when it hits the hot wok. In a bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 1 tablespoon cold water, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, half a teaspoon white pepper, quarter teaspoon baking soda, 3 tablespoons cornstarch. Massage the marinade into the chicken and let it sit for 10 minutes. Heat a wok or pan over high heat. Add some oil. And toss in the chicken. Stir fry until golden and just cook through. About 3 to 5 minutes. Now, transfer it to a bowl. Add a bit more oil. And saute the aromatics, onion, ginger, and garlic, just until fragrant, about 30 to 45 seconds. Now, go in with the veggies. Start with your carrots and broccoli, as these will take a little bit longer to cook. Stir fry until they are starting to soften but still vibrant. Next, add in your cabbage. And finally, add in your peppers. Saute for another minute or two, or until they soften. Toss the cooked chicken back in. Stir fry everything together for another minute or so. Serve it up hot over steamed rice or noodles. And that's how you make a really solid chicken stir fry. Nothing fancy, just good food done right. If you give this a try, let me know how it went in the comments below. I always love hearing how you make these recipes your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.